In the future, how will people and cargo move from place to place? America's race to the moon inspired us to dream of all the ways transportation might advance. Would there be flying cars, a high-speed rail, cargo ships in space? We dreamed of sonic speed and efficiency, of jet aircraft soaring from place to place, connecting people and products on one side of the globe with the other. And then, we watched it come to life. This brilliant, complex dance of trains, trucks, ships, and jets, choreographed so precisely that cargo from thousands of miles away arrives within hours, just in time. At the Port of Huntsville, that future is happening here and now. Since 1967, we have proudly connected the rapidly growing communities of Huntsville and the surrounding Tennessee Valley with the rest of the world, providing high-quality, multimodal transportation to a diverse regional customer base and stimulating economic growth and development. The Port of Huntsville is made up of 4 operating entities: the Huntsville International Airport, International Intermodal Center, Jetplex Industrial Park, and Huntsville International Spaceport. We're adjacent to North Alabama's Interstate 565 and located near Redstone Arsenal, home to more than 70 government organizations, including the U.S. Army, NASA, and the FBI. Through our transportation complex, the Tennessee Valley connects to the global economy, with advantages rivaling larger metro areas. Vibrant and lively, Huntsville consistently ranks #1 among the best places in America to live, work, and play. Port of Huntsville amenities benefit our customers and business partners, enhancing the incredible community we serve and support. And when it comes to transportation technology, the Port of Huntsville is blazing a thrilling trail. Huntsville International Airport serves over 1.4 million customers each year, with service by major airlines, American, Delta, and United. Travelers enjoy a stress-free flight experience from parking deck to gate. Along the way, we greet them with efficient, friendly customer service. Ultra-low-cost carrier, Breeze Airways, offers nonstop flights to locales across the nation, like Las Vegas, Tampa, and Orlando. Executives flying non-commercial aircraft arrive at Signature Aviation, our private terminal, currently undergoing an $11 million renovation.
We're in the sky, sky, sky.
Hospitality and leisure operations in and near the Port of Huntsville take the corporate experience to the next level. The 4 Points by Sheraton Hotel, located inside the airport terminal, features amenities for hosting conferences and in-person events. And the nearby Sunset Landing Golf Course invites easy conversation on the green. Huntsville International Airport is ranked 21st in the continental U.S. for international air cargo volume. It's home to 6 major cargo airlines, as well as industry-leading international freight forwarder DSV. And recently, our airport participated in an FAA testing and mitigation program for unmanned aircraft systems. This laid the foundation for the Huntsville UAS Vertical Research Center, or HOVR, at the Port of Huntsville, vital to private industry, education, and defense. The International Intermodal Center acts as a central hub, specializing in receiving, transferring, storing, and distributing international and domestic cargo via air, rail, and highway. Its state-of-the-art amenities include a rail cargo terminal and ramp, along with a 5-mile rail spur connected to the Norfolk Southern Railroad mainline. This allows for easy access to ports on the east and west coasts. We're also equipped with an air cargo ramp and terminal housing warehouse, expansive distribution facilities with cold storage, and U.S. Customs and Border Protection Foreign Trade Zone number 83. The air cargo ramp is large enough to park 10 Boeing 747 aircraft side by side. We provide businesses with direct access to dual parallel runways with 5,000-foot separation, allowing for simultaneous operations. These amenities speed goods to market and support nimble, efficient research and development. The Jetplex Industrial Park is ideal for businesses that need warehousing, office space, manufacturing facilities, and distribution centers. It offers comprehensive amenities for commerce and industry, essential for success in today's global economy. Robust business incentives, custom tax packages, renowned workforce programs, and partnerships provided by Alabama's Department of Commerce support industries located in the state. And the Port Credit Program stimulates economic development through increased cargo shipping for our customers. Finally, Huntsville International Spaceport is the nation's first commercial airport approved by the FAA as a re-entry site for space vehicles. Landing the Dream Chaser space plane in Huntsville strengthens our existing space infrastructure and capitalizes on exciting commercial possibilities far beyond our world. We continuously plan for growth and proactively anticipate our current and future customers' needs. Our master plan includes ample room for expansion at our 7,200-acre complex for aviation, air, and rail cargo, advanced manufacturing, and new business and industrial sites. There's no shortage of business opportunities within this thriving port. We welcome new visionary partners seeking the benefits the Tennessee Valley region and its smart, forward-thinking innovators have to offer. The Port of Huntsville has also invested $2.1 billion in infrastructure that supports regional businesses and industries, like Science and Engineering Services, LLC, Boeing, and Mazda Toyota Manufacturing.
The Port of Huntsville is a very vital part of our operations because it helps us be more efficient, it helps us be more globally competitive. And without that partnership, I'm not sure companies can compete in a global market. So I just look forward to that partnership continuing. The future is just bright for Huntsville. I think that partnership and just the opportunities for the future are really, really fantastic.
These companies have fueled economic growth and created thousands of jobs. As we look toward the future, the Port of Huntsville continues its tradition of innovation, investing in the infrastructure that supports our strongest partnerships and propels the Rocket City to its next level of growth and prosperity. The future of passenger and cargo transportation is blazing bright. Let's soar there, together.